Hello everybody. Hope everybody's having a good day. I got an unboxing video for you. So I'm super excited about this. Friend of mine, Mike Tufts, Tufts. Mike is a friend of mine on Facebook, and he emailed me and asked me if I would be willing to try out some tools that he is making. He's making some boppers and stuff, so these are really, really cool. I just cut the box open. I haven't really looked at them yet. I just cut it open so I wasn't wrestling with it on film. But anyways, so let's check this stuff out. So the cool thing about these, wow. Okay, yeah, he sent pads too. Wow, these are nice. I haven't looked at any of this stuff yet. I mean, I kind of peeked in the box, but I didn't really look. He sent some really nice pressure pads for pressure flaking. Looks like this is a slim 4-inch domed. Now, I don't know if he'll be offering these pads or not. He just wanted me to try out the boppers. These lead-filled copper billets. So this is a half moon domed. These are really nice, man. Super nice. Check that out. You got neoprene. Nice big thick neoprene pad. Really nice. There's a slotted one with a piece of brass in there. Keep it from wearing out. That's a great idea. Really nice stuff. Now, the plan is, these boppers and stuff, this stuff's still in like the prototype phase, so he's still working out the kinks and stuff, and that's why he sent them to me, is, you know, he wanted me to use the stuff and give him, you know, some feedback, good and bad, so that's what I'm gonna do. But these, I'm really impressed with these pads. That's super cool. It's just like a long 5-inch slim domed. Really nice. And if you watch this, Mike, thanks so much, man. This is really nice and generous of you. Looks like he sent. So the cool thing about these boppers are the heads are going to be interchangeable. So instead of buying a whole new tool when you wear a head out, you can just replace it. Looks like these are the, looks like he's got, so he's obviously made that on a lathe, I'm assuming. And this looks like, oh, what's that called? Delrin? Yeah, a Delrin. Basically a synthetic, you know, like a plastic, but it feels really durable, and it is. But so he's got a, looks like he's got a piece seated in here that's threaded, and then you see what he did there with the heads. He's poured the lead in there, and he's got a piece of threaded bolt or whatever coming out of there. So this, I assume, just screws right into there. It seats right down. Man, how cool is that? I like it. I like it a lot. He sent an extra one. Really nice. So that's the smallest one. Let's look at the next size up here. And I think, let's see. think he said one of them is like interchangeable. Yeah, I think the smaller handle actually works for these too. Those heads, and then this, so you can use a little bit larger head on that, on the smaller handle. Looks like. Okay. So 2 different size heads for the smallest handle, and then this is the head, it looks like, for this handle. Very nice. Man, that's a really nice fit too. Man, it seats right down on there. And the way that comes down and seats on there, I'm assuming that'll keep that thing nice and sturdy. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see how it goes. I think they're going to be great. It's got some really good weight to it. Got plenty of lead in there. Cool beans. And then I think this one here, I don't think is interchangeable. I think it's just this is the big mega bopper. 15 ounce, yeah. Man, that dude that's the ticket. I like that a lot. But you can tell he really takes pride in his work and pays close attention to detail and stuff. I'm not sure what Mike does for a living. Maybe he's a machinist or something. But anyhow, so Mike Tufts, and like I said, don't bombard him yet with orders. He's not. I don't think he's taken any orders yet. He's just, and it's still in the prototype phase. So, but I wanted to share with you guys. Thought this was a really great idea, and I'll be doing some videos on my YouTube channel using them, and maybe you guys can offer your opinions and some feedback too, and help us in designing these things. And once he gets them going, he's actually going to offer them on Dan Collins' website. On I think Dan's going to sell them for him on flintnappingtraditions.com, and then Dan's YouTube channel's Danny Collins Lithics and Leather channel name. So, but yeah, just wanted to do a quick unboxing, and thanks so much for this, Mike. This is really, really cool. I love it. Great idea, and I'll be emailing you and doing some videos and letting you know what I think. Thanks, y'all. Have a good day.